impacts there for some of the canyons, and some of those areas still shut down from that last storm. And unfortunately, we have to talk about more rain in the forecast. So we don't know when we're going to start to see those canyons look a little easier, but I do know that's a big problem for residents in the valley. And so hopefully we'll have some better news. It's cool. It's about 61 degrees. We're back to a little bit more of an onshore push today. So it's going to be about a degree or two cooler, maybe for some spots, nothing too noticeable. And then we'll have some additional cloud coverage. That will increase tomorrow, too, in terms of marine layer clouds to start in the morning, and then some high clouds throughout the afternoon. So tomorrow will be partly sunny. 62 degrees down into Irvine. Overall today, those should be down into the OC, though, but overall it should be pretty nice with a lot of mid-60s out there this afternoon. I will let you know when we will see some of that rain move into Southern California and when we're expecting these next storms in just a little bit. Philip, Giovanna, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Brianna, thank you. We'll see you then.
Get a little iffy, and I'll show you exactly what it's looking like on the model right now. However, it could still change. There's still a lot of discrepancies on exactly when this is going to roll in and when we're going to see the bulk of this next storm. But rain chances will be as early as this weekend, and so I'll show you that in just a moment. It is also going to help some morning clouds tomorrow, so a little bit more of a marine layer. That's possible tomorrow, and then some high clouds as well, because we're going to have some storms that are going to pass to the north of us, and you can see some batch of clouds that are making their way into Southern California. We're expecting to see more of that as we head into tomorrow, but we're not expecting any storm impacts, at least until chances of rain this weekend, but the heavier rainfall looks to be the beginning of next week. So this is what happens midweek. You do see some rain to the north of us as we head into your Wednesday, and you see those clouds streaming over Southern California. So we will have partly sunny skies tomorrow, and that will continue on into Thursday as well. We're still going to see rain to the north of us. We won't be seeing a whole lot for us, though. And then as we get into Saturday, you see that next round start to move in, and it's not a whole lot of it. You see this front, and it's kind of broken apart by Saturday night, but it does look like we'll get through most of the day on Saturday, free and clear of rain at the moment. And then by Saturday night, best shot for some showers to be moving in. That will take us into Sunday, but this is now looking at Sunday night, and so you can see this is not the consistent widespread rain quite yet. Then we head into Monday, and it starts to look a little more promising, and then the more widespread rain looks to be sometime into Tuesday, and then that will take us potentially into Wednesday next week. So we'll see what happens as it gets a little closer. We could see anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches. Beautiful week ahead. Temperatures will even get a little warmer up until Friday at about 70 degrees. And then this weekend, chances of rain look to begin on Saturday night. And the high deserts, dry, calm all week. A beautiful Valentine's Day. And then we get into this weekend and chances of rain and cooler temperatures. Philip and Giovanna.
Okay. Thanks, Brianna.
We do have rain on the way. Yeah, we have a couple more days, though, where we don't have to worry about it. So it is going to be mostly sunny to partly sunny. We're going to have some clouds moving through, and you can already see a little batch here, but we'll have more of those high clouds tomorrow. Close to yesterday, it's all going to be pretty mild, and we don't have a whole lot happening. Some systems to the north of us that will be bringing some rain to areas of northern and even central California. As we head into Wednesday, you can see some of that rain in northern California and how we have some of those clouds that will be making their way into Southern California. That's all we could expect for tomorrow, or just some partly cloudy skies, some high clouds moving overhead. And then heading into your Thursday, we're still going to have rain to the north of us. It gets a little closer, so we will still have some clouds out there. And then as we head into Friday, a ridge is going to pop in. It's going to bring a pretty nice day, and that might be the warmest day of the week ahead of chances of rain. So that will be as early as Saturday night. It looks like our rain chances will start to pick up. It doesn't look like the more widespread consistent rain will be coming in until the bulk of it sometime between Monday and Wednesday next week. However, rain as early as Saturday night as of now, and that will take us into Sunday as well. And then you can see as we head into Monday, we have this other front that's going to be moving on through. By Tuesday, we are seeing some more widespread rain, and then it looks like that will be taking us into Wednesday as well. That will probably change. It's been changing daily, and we have a lot of models still with a lot of discrepancies, 4 to 8 inches possible. So it is going to be a lot of rain, and we won't need as much to see the impact. Still pretty cool. Low 60s tomorrow, a cool Valentine's Day. And then we will potentially see a better chances for 65 on Friday. Enjoy that before it gets cooler, and we have some wet weather returning to Southern California. Philip, Giovanna, back to you.
Okay, Brianna, thank you.
Ahead of this next one, and it's something that we've been talking about throughout the morning, but just another heads up that Coldwater is closed due to that downed tree, but we still have parts of Mulholland that are closed too from the last storm as well. So it has been a mess through the canyons. You cannot get into LA through some of these areas, so just make sure that you do avoid Coldwater this morning. I know that's been a tough drive. 6 o'clock this morning, so you will be diverted around some of this road work, and that will cause a little bit of a delay. So we do see some traffic in this spot. We'll have another check in just a little bit. John, Rachel, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Brianna, thanks.